Today, we are going to talk about a dish that brings together modern taste and classic comfort in one plate. Cheese chicken macaroni, a creamy, cheesy dish loved by everyone. Let's take a look one by one at the ingredients required to make this special dish. First, there is boiled macaroni, which forms the base of the dish. Boiled and shredded chicken. Then we need breadcrumbs, which add texture and a light crunch. Cheese spread, the heart of the dish that delivers that ultimate cheesy flavor. Next is black pepper powder for a mild heat and warmth. Following that are green peas, adding color and a gentle sweetness. Then comes olive oil, which gives the dish a light, smooth feel. Salt to perfectly balance the flavors. And finally, Tabasco sauce, which adds a spicy finishing touch. Fresh cream. All these ingredients creates our beloved cheese chicken macaroni, distinct in both taste and aroma. In the first step, we take a large bowl and add the pre-boiled macaroni. A little olive oil is poured in and everything is mixed well so that each piece of macaroni gets a light coating of oil. Next, this macaroni and olive oil mixture is placed in the microwave for just 2 minutes. This helps soften the macaroni further and allows the olive oil flavor to blend in nicely. Meanwhile, we take another bowl and add breadcrumbs, cheese spread, salt to taste, a little black pepper powder, and some green peas, one by one. All the ingredients are mixed thoroughly until a thick creamy mixture is formed. Now the macaroni and olive oil mixture is taken out of the microwave. Over the macaroni in the bowl, we pour the prepared cheese and breadcrumb mixture, which acts as the base layer of the dish.
We put the boiled macaroni over the base and then boiled shredded chicken over it. Then we put fresh cream on the remaining mixture.
The remaining cheese breadcrumb mixture is poured evenly over the top. This creates a sandwich-like structure with macaroni and chicken in the middle and cheesy layers above and below. The top layer eventually forms a thin, crispy crust. Once everything is ready, the bowl is placed back into the microwave. The temperature is set to 100 degrees Celsius and it is cooked for 10 minutes. Slowly, the cheese melts, the mixture sets, and the chicken and macaroni cook perfectly. In the final step, the dish is taken out of the microwave and lightly garnished with Tabasco sauce for a spicy finishing touch. And just like that, our homemade, creamy and super tasty cheese chicken macaroni is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy the wonderful combination of cheese, chicken and macaroni in every bite. There was a time when a Bengali kitchen meant rice, dal, fish and touch. While authentic Italian pasta relied mainly on olive oil and herbs, Bengali kitchens added cream, black pepper, butter, and later chicken. This is how cheese chicken macaroni was born, a fusion dish where Italian macaroni blended with rich, creamy Bengali flavors. There is a story behind the addition of chicken as well. For Bengalis, chicken was easily available and considered a festive food. To make macaroni more filling and nutritious, boiled or sauteed